Hello, fellows. Today, my name is Murian-Coush Addem, and I will show you how to use the Bing private and the public IP in the CMD shell. And in Windows, it's very nice to use the to do some quickly use the CMD shell. For example, here you click the CMDR and then CMD and then enter, and then you have this console. And if you use the console to ping, for example, the google.com, so you can do it here. And this is very nice. So you see here the reply from the Google, which is exactly which is exactly this server has been at around 20 to 30 ms. And for example, the facebook.com, we can also look here. So if you see here now, this is a different IP because this is the Facebook IP in short. And if you want to now try to ping your own oh, let's first ping the Google DNS server. So this is the Google DNS server. So it's also around this time. So I've got quite good connection here. And if you want to ping some more, you get also to ping here with the 8888, and you can minus D. And then if you use the minus D, it will go on for all the time and never stop. So this is quite a handyful tool if you want to use this. And last but not least, if you want to here as well ping your own network, you can use the ping one. Sorry for the sounds in the back, it's quite loud here. And the ping for the own network. So if you want to find out how your own network is, then watch my different video about that. I will link it. And this is, for example, my internal network. So this is not the public IP, so I have also no, like you can also go to the websites and the internet and just uh, tell people your internal private because nobody care, so nobody can any do. So if you want to ping this, you see, okay, we have only 1 millisecond. So this is my connection to router, for example. And if you want to ping this all the time, for example, if you have some crucial usage on your computer, you can see exactly here how it is. So this is around that for the video, and you can always Control C to change it. So thank you very much, and see you in the next one about it. Yeah, goodbye.